Welcome back, everyone. So we're gonna be playing Sprunki with no sound, and as you can see, I do have a scratch account a long time ago. And all these people you see in the comments, yeah, they should get off the iPads and go do something more educational. So let's play Sprunki with no sound. This is the best ever game, bro. This is like most peakest game. So let's play Mr. Robot Guy. Me. Yeah, I can't fucking hear shit. Anyways. No, never mind. I can hear something from my PC. I'm gonna like move everything from my PC real quick. Also, if you're probably wondering why the hell am I screencasting it to my TV, let me show you why. This is why. So I'm gonna try my best not making you can hear it, but you don't see my face. Anyways, if you can hear it, good. If you can't hear it, well, too bad, too sad. Anyways, I'm just gonna pick the most randomest one here. Guys, is that Wenda from Sprunki, guys? Is that brown guy from Sprunki, guys? What is this? Well, that sucked. Well, what is this? Anyways, let's pit Mr. Black guy. Oh my god, that's so scary. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. Yeah, this is totally not laggy, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna click the most randomest buttons to see what I can get. The most fire song ever. I'm just gonna keep pressing stuff until like something happens. I don't even like this game anymore. What the fuck happened to Simon? Okay, I'm just gonna put all of them down. You know, this game sucks anyways. Let's take a look inside. If it wants to load. If it wants to load. Whoa. Oh, there you go, guys. This is the most peakest game quality in mankind. Anyways, let's go get, what the fuck is this? Remove from gallery. Wow, guys. Let's see if I can find any secrets. There's assets. This is just the Incredibox assets. Okay. Also, guys, the moment you've been waiting for. Let me get brought down real quick. There he is, guys. And now, in a moment of truth, Brud. Ah! It's so scary. Wait. Hey guys, it's me, Grud, Bud, Sud, Lud, Grud, Fud, None. I shouldn't say that. Wait, let me show you. Guys, look. It's Brood. It's brown guy from singing game. Oh fuck, what did I do? You know, guys, I'm just gonna kill him. You know. Where's the thingy? Yeah, screw this. He's dead now. I just got like 70,000 viruses. I'm gonna close this before my PC crashes. Anyways, guys, that was me playing Sprunki, the worst ever game ever. Mankind. Y'all guys suck.